this question, we have a sector given. So let us go ahead and we'll see what do we need to find here. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter and sector angle 72 degree. So this is the sector angle given, and the radius is also given as 6 centimeter. The perimeter of the sector is P plus Q pi centimeter. Now we need to find the value of P and the value of Q. So first of all, let us go ahead and write down the formula we would be using to calculate perimeter of the sector. So if we try to get a better understanding of perimeter of any figure, it's the length of the boundary which covers that particular figure. So if I talk about my sector, I can say that I have this length which covers the sector, then another length over here, as well as the arc length of the sector. So if we have to define what is the perimeter of the sector, then we'll say it is the arc length plus 2 times radius. So as we can see, these two lengths are nothing but the radius. So we can say that as the formula to calculate arc length is theta by 360 degree times 2 pi r plus 2r, theta being the sector angle, and in the question it is given as 72 degree. R, which is the radius of the sector, and pi, as we know, is 3.14, but as we can see, the answer here is written in terms of pi, P plus Qi. So we would not be required to substitute any value of pi. So let us apply the formula and see what we are getting for the perimeter of the sector. Perimeter is equals to theta 72 divided by 360 times 2 pi times the radius, which is 6, plus 2 times the radius again, which is 6. Now let us solve the arc length of the sector first. So as we can simplify and see here, we'll get 2, 10, and further simplification will give us 1 by 5 times 12 pi plus 12, and we see that it is 12 pi by 5 plus 12. So we can say that the value of Q over here is going to be 12 by 5, and the value of P is 12. Thank you.